Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 with this essential firmware update guide for Mac users. First, head over to the official Sony Alpha support website. On your Mac, you'll need to navigate to the support section and locate your camera model, the Alpha one. Once you've found the A1 support page, look for the firmware or software tab here. You'll see the latest available firmware version and its release notes. It's always a good idea to read these notes to understand what improvements or fixes this update offers. Before downloading, be sure to carefully read and agree to the software license agreement. Then, click the download button to save the firmware file to your Mac. It will typically be a compressed zip or DNG file. Now, locate the downloaded file on your Mac. If it's a zip file, double-click it to extract its contents. You should find a firmware update application. Connect your Sony A1 camera to your Mac using a USB cable. Ensure your camera battery is fully charged, as this is crucial for an uninterrupted update process. Also, make sure the camera is powered off before connecting. Open the firmware update application you extracted earlier. Your Mac should recognize the connected camera automatically. Within the application, you'll see your camera model displayed. The application will also show the current firmware version installed on your A1 and the new version you're about to install. Confirm that these match the download you intended. Now, carefully follow the on-screen prompts. When you're ready, click the Start Update button. Do not disconnect the USB cable or turn off your camera or computer during this process. This is vital for a successful update. The update process will begin, and you'll see a progress bar indicating its status. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the update is complete, the application will notify you of success. It's recommended to restart your camera after the update is finished. Simply power it off, then power it back on. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Sony A1's firmware using your Mac. You can now enjoy the latest features and optimizations. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.